Hi, hello, namaste, namaskaram, welcome. This is Gayatri and you're watching me on Vada Pav Sambar channel. Today in our recipe we are going to make capsicum rings. So let's begin. So as the name says, it's capsicum rings. The main important ingredient is obviously capsicum. So here I have taken mini capsicums. You can take capsicums of your choice. You can take a bigger capsicum. You can take green capsicums. I am taking the capsicums whatever I got over here. So first we need to cut them. So let's begin that process. So we should take off the seeds which are inside the capsicum. So I'm going to remove that. And then we need to cut it into slices like this. Take little thicker kind of rings so that it will be more tasty. And whatever is the last left, you can just keep it as it is. That also we can use it. So finally we chopped our capsicums and now we are going to make the stuffing for that. And for stuffing we are going to use potato and we have to make boiled potato sabzi. You can make the sabzi with boiled potatoes the way you want. I'll quickly show the way I am going to make it. So here I have already boiled my potatoes. I am going to mash the potatoes. Few people even use paneer in this recipe. So you can also add paneer if you like paneer. So yeah, our potato is almost finely mashed. Now the time to make sabzi. Break any big lumps and put it. So whatever capsicum is left over or you are not able to cut it into rings, add it in the sabzi. Don't waste it, just add it like how I did it. I am going to add coarsely grinded peanuts and dried red chilies powder. This is totally optional. The peanuts need to be dry roasted before you put it a powder. So I have just coarsely grinded it and I like the taste when it is added. So I'm gonna add it. It's totally optional. Especially for this dish, if you add peanuts, it will be really very tasty. Add little chaat masala. Adjust the salt and your sabzi is done. This will be the stuffing for your capsicum. Now what you need to do is take that sabzi in a bowl and take the sabzi, take a ring and start filling in this ring fully. The more the filling, the tastier it will be. Make sure that you press it properly so that it will be easy for us to toast later. So here you can see already I made few rings over there. So take a pan and drizzle some oil. I already drizzled some oil and now I am going to keep these rings in this. After putting that, take the lid and close it. Keep flipping in between. Make sure that it is properly cooked both the sides. So here also few people like it little raw. Even I like it little raw when the capsicum is little raw. So according to the level you like it, you can roast it. Now on top of it, people who like cheese can just add little bit of cheese. I am adding cheese over here. So here our cheese, got melted a little bit, so that will be enough. Now it's time to serve. A very interesting capsicum rings recipe is ready. You can make this recipe as capsicum stuffing also, and you can use the same potato stuffing which we made it. Just you need to remove the seeds and you can fill in the whole capsicum. This recipe is not something which I invented or discovered. It's just through, I was also just googling and I went through many YouTube recipes, and this is a hybrid version of all the recipes, and I already made this recipe and it was really tasting very good, so I thought I can share it with you all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Vada Pav Sambar channel. Also follow me on Instagram. I'm on Instagram with my name as Gayatri Kanala. I'll come up with a new video very soon. Until then, enjoy capsicum rings and bye bye.
Vada pav, garam garam vada pav.